Hello everyone, hope you found us doing great. Welcome to your channel. If you're new here, welcome, and I'm so happy to see you all once again. Today I'm going to share the two skill will definitely help you to find an IT job, even though if you don't have a bachelor degree or if you don't have any experience in IT field. Before I move on and talk about this topic, allow me to talk a little bit about myself, who I am, and how I allow myself to talk about these kind of skill. My name is Ilyas Hassanzai. I am a bachelor in computer science. I have spent about 15 years in information communication technology. What do you think, guys? Am I old in person? That's right, my friend. Let's dive into these two skills with more details and what are the requirements. One of the most important skills that nowadays almost everyone is after is computer hardware, or we can say A+ hardware. So the question is, what is A+ hardware and what is the purpose of A+ hardware? It is A+ hardware, or we can say computer hardware as well. This is all about how computer works and how computer performs and what is the main purpose of the computer and how many types of computer do we have. So nowadays we are a witness of quantum computer as well, but we're not talking about the quantum computer. We are trying to talk about the traditional computer. So skill number one is computer hardware or A+ hardware. You really need to build or develop this skill because you really need to know what the computer is, what is inside computer, what is processor, what is hard drive, what is state solid drive, and everything, what is input devices and what is output devices, and so on. So the question is, what would be challenge if I don't get these kind of classes? Once you start an IT job, one of the most important question that you may encounter or task you may encounter is hardware failure. Another very necessary issue that you may encounter, that when you purchase an application, let's say operating system, Microsoft, Mac OS or Chrome OS and so on, or Linux operating system, every application in the world that you see does require a specific hardware requirement. So let's say I'm asking you, do you mind to go ahead and install Windows Server 2022, and you keep trying to install and you encounter an error, It's all because you forgot the first step toward to achieve and become more success in IT department is A+ or computer hardware. Luckily guys, I do have a classes which is A+ hardware. I would definitely suggest all of you to go ahead and grab those classes and join me on the classes. This classes all the time upgrading, so I would definitely suggest you guys to go ahead and grab these kind of classes. If not, then you can find some other classes, but the most important skill that I mentioned is A+ hardware and computer hardware. All right, let's talk about the skill number two. Skill number two is Network Plus. What is Network Plus and why we should get a Network Plus certification? So Network Plus is all about the network foundation, how computer communicate with one another, how wireless device work, how we are using a router, what is router, what is Wi-Fi, what is firewall, what is wireless controller, what is wireless modem, what is wireless access point. These all stuff, if you don't know what are these stuffs, or it is way hard for you to dive and get some cloud computing without knowing the fundamental of the computer and networking as well. And luckily I do have a Network Plus classes as well. Join me there as well, guys. I will be happy to see you guys there. Whether you believe it or not, more than about 50 or 55 students of mine, once they got those courses and they immediately start finding a job, and I'm so happy. They share their feedback and they're so excited they found a job as well. Why not? Why? Because I am a man of experience in information communication technology, and I know what is the requirement in every offices, in every company. It's not a small office, it's not medium-sized office, it's not profit organization, it's not profit organization, international and national companies, my friend. You have to find me there as well. I don't want to eat up your time. Until next time, stay safe, be brave, and of course see you guys next time. Stay tuned, be happy, and stay curious.